The state has lost thousands of crores because of Dharani, sir. They enjoyed the fruits, sir, of power. Not only enjoying, sir, their 7th generation can enjoy that much they have. They have looted the state, sir. I would come on the record and say, sir. It is unfair not to allow us, sir. Sir, they are giving the slogan, तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी. तानाशाही तो ये करते आए हैं, ये कर रहे हैं. 10 साल तानाशाही करे, अभी भी तानाशाही कर रहे हैं. क्या है, sir? Have irregularities. Take the government land, take the farmers' land, and they have taken, sir, the state. Sir, I would like to come on record and say that, sir, the farmers have lost thousands of acres, sir. The SCs have lost, the STs have lost, assigned land have been lost, the forest has been lost, sir. And now this government is trying to correct it. And in this correction also, sir, हमारे पास उर्दू में एक मुहावरा है, सर. गैरों पे तनकीद करने से पहले अपने गिरेबान में झांक कर देखो बोलते हैं. तो I would advise the BRS people को अपने गिरेबान में झांक कर देखिए. अरे हमको बोलने दीजिए. Sir, if one individual is so important, then I think the people will teach them our most strong lesson, sir. Because we come here to represent the people. We are not family member only, sir. This gives a message. Family is superior than the people. Family is superior than the state. Family is superior than this house. It is very sad, sir. Very sad, sir. Very, very sad, sir. Sir, the reason for bringing in this Bahu Bharati bill is that lot of irregularities has happened, and the people responsible for the irregularities is again one family, sir. And sir, it is a very important subject, sir. There are many amendments also which me and my party has given, and we want the amendments to be discussed, sir. Sir, when the Dharani had lacunas and shortcomings, and it had given ways and means to one family to have irregularities, take the government land, take the farmers' land, and they have taken, sir, the state. Sir, I would like to come on record and say that, sir, the state has lost thousands of crores because of Dharani, sir. The farmers have lost thousands of acres, sir. The SCs have lost, the STs have lost, assigned land have been lost, the forest has been lost, sir. And now this government is trying to correct it. And in this correction also, there are few things which further needs to be corrected, sir. And we want to bring that to the notice of the government. And the BRS is not allowing us by disturbing the proceedings of the House, sir. Sir, I would continue, sir. And once again I request, sir. So for the last time, please request them, or sir, we should suspend them, sir.
So many times I requested.
Yes, sir. I am witness to that, sir. You have done, sir. But it is very sad, sir. It is very sad. It is very sad. Sir, they are giving the slogan, तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी. तानाशाही तो ये करते आए हैं, ये कर रहे हैं. 10 साल तानाशाही करे, अभी भी तानाशाही कर रहे हैं. क्या है, सर? सर, हमारे पास उर्दू में एक मुहावरा है, सर. गैरों पे तनकीद करने से पहले अपने गिरेबान में झांक कर देखो बोलते हैं. तो I would advise the BRS people को अपने गिरेबान में झांक कर देखिए. अरे हमको बोलने दीजिए. Sir, if not this forum, where should we go, sir? 10 years, they enjoyed the fruits, sir, of power. Not only enjoying, sir, their 7th generation can enjoy that much they have looted the state, sir. I would come on the record and say, sir. It is unfair not to allow us, sir. Sir, another amendment we have given, sir. Sir, me by not stopping and continuing my speech shows that how committed we are towards the people who have sent us here, sir. And these people showing and agitating shows how committed they are for one family. Continue. For one individual. They are agitating for one individual. I have come for my state, sir. I have come for my farmers. I have come for the workland. I have come for the BC, the SC, sir. Sir, and another amendment to subclause 3, which I mentioned, the objective of these 3 amendments is to ensure effective protection of endowments and waqf lands in the state, sir. We also suggest to the government to bring in official amendments to some specific clause of the bill, sir. The record of right is deemed to be prepared under this bill as per the subclause 4 of clause 4, sir. This is highly objectionable because the ROR Act 2020 contained thousands of unauthorized entries. Thousands of unauthorized entries, sir. This needs to be corrected, sir. But the government's remedy to correct these unauthorized entries before the new act come into force has to be mentioned clearly through an official amendment, I would say, sir. Because, sir, इसमें कितने thousands है, sir. Thousands irregular है, sir. Sir, clause 14 does not specify whether the land tribunals are proposed to be formed at the district level or state level, sir. The bill is not saying that, sir. The composition of the tribunal is also not mentioned in the bill, sir. Sir, an official amendment is needed to bring again clarity on this also, sir. So similarly, clause 16 confers the revision powers of commissioner only and excludes the district collectors and tribunal at district level, sir. Sir, ये बहुत important है, sir. This is very important. Again, sir, where they have excluded the district collectors and the tribunals are